Oh my God.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video. Woo! Back for another unboxing. I went to go get my mail today and I saw this and look, I didn't know I was gonna do a video today. I ain't shaved, my hair looked like buckwheat, my breath stank, and woo! Let's just be lucky you're not here. So we ain't all together, but I had to just put the camera on, so you just have to. Whew. All right, so there's this YouTuber out there named Christine, but her YouTube name is Ganda Chris, and I've seen her work. Matter of fact, for C&D, she made an Amiibo for him. She made a Lamarr Wilson Amiibo. I saw the video, so I know what it looks like, but I mean, just to see it in person. Woo! So I met her at E3 at the Smash tournament, and she's just a lovely, lovely lady, and I am just, this is gonna be an honor. This is gonna be a different unboxing, because I don't think I'm gonna take, let's just look at the package. Okay, so it starts with a letter. Thank you, it says Lamarr Wilson. As an independent artist, I can't thank you enough for all the support. Watching your videos along with YouTubers has inspired me to prove my passion. As a fellow Nintendo fan, I hope to see you at E3. Well, we did see each other. Awaiting all the exciting announcements. And I hope you enjoy your custom, one-of-a-kind, custom, I said custom twice. She didn't, I did. Custom Amiibo. Okay, let's just, oh, I see it. Well, first of all, I'm sorry. Oh, my neighbors. Okay. Oh my God. I see it. Oh my, yeah, I can't take this out the package, y'all. Wow. Okay, so I'll do some close-ups, don't worry, but take a look at that. Look at it. It's my, I'm the cardboard. I'm the cardboard. I can't, like, I'm tripping. And I'm in the, oh my God. Use your Lamarr Wilson Amiibo to receive in-game items. Look at the back. Holy crap. Oh. Now, listen. Ever since Amiibo came out, late 2014, I have, and I've been, I got, kind of big on my channel unboxing them because I have every one. I love them. And people have always said, man, you need your own Amiibo. And Christine, just take another look at that. It even has me holding the sword. Now I know it's bent here. It's because it has to fit in the box. I'm gonna do a couple things. I'm gonna link the video where she made this. You see the step-by-step how she made this custom Amiibo for me. Oh my, I'm looking anymore. There's a YouTube button. There's an LOL pillow. And there's a package that I'm standing on. And oh my God, there's a Pokeball in the back. Oh, and the smiley I always use like that. Girl, and a cappy. I'm saying more and more stuff, and I am like conquering them all. Oh my. I'm not gonna cry, but I'm getting close. Like this is, I mean, I'm still really excited, but I'm so touched. Listen, she did a video, okay, where about a month or so ago, where she made this. I'm gonna link it. Those who enjoyed me, I know a lot. When I ask y'all to link somewhere, go somewhere, a lot of y'all don't. Can you for this one? It's just the links below. It'll be in the annotation. All you gotta do there is just go there and just tell her thank you from Lamarr. I'm gonna do it too. I actually already did it on a video, but just go there, thumb up that video, tell her thank you, tell her this awesome, tell her who you'd like to see next in the Nintendo community. This is an artist right here. She hand did this. This is incredible. Christine, thank you so much. Guys, Ganda Chris, she's awesome. She has a great channel. Please make sure you go to that video. It'll be the first link below. Show her some love for making this for me. And I'm amazed. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I wasn't gonna make a video today because I have some other stuff I'm doing behind the scenes. So if this is not polished or anything, are any of my videos polished? What am I talking about? I'm real. I'm just like I am who I am. And right now I stank, my breath smell, and my hair look like crap, and I didn't shave. So Okay. Guys, see, that's real. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Candy Chris, you are the best. I'll talk to you soon. I hope to see some of you all over on her channel. We'll see, you know how it is. All right, take care.